guys, welcome to the channel. Welcome to the Friendly Grumpy Trucker. Today, we're going to start the week. But first, I'm going to go to the gym and get some exercise in to start this week out right. And then I'll come back and get everything put into the truck. But I've got some good news going on right now. It's back. I finally have my Jeep back. Might be a hunk of junk to some people, but I love this Jeep. It means a lot to me. Very sentimental to me for many reasons. I absolutely love this Jeep. I'm glad to have it back. I'll show you what we had to replace that kept this thing down for 4 months. Right there, that skid plate. That thing right there. Right there, that thing. That thing held the entire gas tank in. And it completely rusted away. It rusted into about 3 pieces. So, other than that though, the frame on this Jeep is really solid for having 218,000 miles. So I'm pretty proud of it. Still got a lot of life left in it. And this engine, I think I trust this thing driving more than I do my Ford or even the Toyota. It's so simple. It's just such a simplistic vehicle. It sat at my buddy's house for 4 months in the middle of the winter outside. And it started right up. So I can't complain about it. So we're gonna go to the gym now and we're gonna take the Jeep. Look at that, 218,000 miles. Running like a champ. My God, this thing feels like a go-kart. I'm so used to a big Expedition or that thing. Dirty ass windshield, holy cow. But yeah, I'm so used to a much bigger vehicle. This thing is so tiny. It's a little bouncy. Doesn't quite ride like an air suspension Expedition or a Toyota Sienna Limited or a Volvo Semi for that matter. But it's riding like a freaking beast. I got a cherry pack exhaust on this, and I think it really brings that 4-cylinder, that mighty 2.5 liter 4-cylinder, it really brings it to life. It's not as it doesn't pick up as well on the phone as it does actually riding it, but it does sound pretty good for a 4-cylinder. But I love these old engines. It's, again, so simple, so easy to work on. I can replace all 4 injectors in this thing from the time I start to the time I finish in about 15 minutes. It takes me that long to even begin to know what I'm trying to do on my Expedition. When I'm trying to do the, if I try to take a injector out. It's just, I love it. Oh my God, okay, I'm sorry. I know, I'm a broken record. Okay, this is a trucking channel, Corey. For God's sakes, it's a trucking channel. But maybe it should be a Jeep channel. All the new ones right there. I love that red Rubicon. So nice, so nice. The wife's minivan, by the way. Just happened to be able to park right next to it here at the Y. I gotta say, man, I'm not a minivan person, but I would highly recommend a Toyota Sienna if you guys are interested in a minivan, because it's pretty damn nice inside. It's like, I mean, you know, Toyota makes Lexus, and it's really, I've owned a couple Lexuses, Lexis, I don't know what the plural is, but I've owned some Lexus cars, and it's really Lexus quality inside. It looks so much nicer than any other minivan inside. Has a much more, much better appeal to the eye. I don't really, the materials on the dash are kind of tough for the price point. I mean, this van new in 2011 was almost $50,000. I want to say it was like $45,000, $46,000, which was a lot of money for a minivan, especially in 2011. But you know, it's got so many. It's just nice. It's got a widescreen in the middle row. I should do a review on that van. I should. It'll be boring for most people, but you know, as a dad, maybe some other dads might be interested. I don't know, probably not, but it might be something fun to do to pass the time by. Let's go work out. See, not too bad. Ain't too bad in there. Let me see if the door's open. Watch this be not my wife's van. But yeah, see, not bad at all, not bad. All right. Alright, so now I just got to go ahead and move my semi just a little bit so I can see if I can fit the Jeep and the semi in front of our house on the street. So I'm going to go ahead and juggle them around a little bit. See, semi right there. Just got to go ahead and back it up some, see if I can get the Jeep there. That way I can leave the Jeep right there, and then I can park the semi right behind it when I come home on the weekends. I know, like I said in the last video, first world problems. So we'll get her done. Fucking litter bugs, man. Goddamn hate them under my goddamn truck. And there you have it right there. We got her. I say there's a little size difference. A little bit. See from the front here. Oh yeah. That's a size difference, all right. But yeah, look at that, guys. Right there at the edge of the curb. It's perfect. It's still got plenty of space there to pull into the driveway. And we've got both vehicles on the street. If I don't fall over. Sweet. Perfect. It's what you make it. Always try to give. Don't ever take it. Life is but a dream. It's what you make it. Always try to give. Don't ever take it. Life is but a dream. It's what you make it. Always try to give. Don't ever take it. Life is but a dream. It's what you make it. Always try to give. Alright, so for anybody that's wondering out there why truckers really hate when you cut them off in rush hour traffic, even though you're not moving very fast. Here's an example. My camera's at eye level right now, basically. And you can see my Jeep right in front of the hood of this truck, right? Well, obviously the roof line of the Jeep is way higher than the trunk line or the roof line of a car. And another reason that's really bad, think about the trucks that have the long nose, the extended hoods, like the Kenworth W9s and the Peterbilt 379s and 389s with the extended hoods. My truck has what's called a snub nose, and it's basically for fuel efficiency. You know, that's the main objective with the snub nose, is fuel efficiency. So it also provides a better view of the road. And, you know, so therefore my Jeep hood, or my Jeep roof is actually a lot higher above the hood than it would be on an extended hood. So in fact, on a Peterbilt, my roof line on my Jeep is probably about where the top of the hood would be on a Peterbilt extended hood. And on a Kenworth W9, the hood is even taller. So it would actually be higher than the roof line on my Jeep. So anybody that wants to know why we get really annoyed when you cut us off, even in the slowest of traffic, it's because we may not see you. I mean, I would have a better chance in this truck, but somebody in one of those long-nosed Peterbilts or Kenworths, they may not see you. And it's happened a lot. You know, where they end up rear-ending you because they literally have no idea that you're there. So any four-wheelers out there that don't know what it's like to drive a truck, keep that in mind. Because if you're watching this video, it's because you obviously have an interest somewhat in trucking, even if you aren't a trucker yourself. So keep that in mind. That's why it's super dangerous to cut a truck off, even in snail-paced traffic, because we just may not see you. All right, guys, let's hit the road. I got a load to go pick up already on my trailer, and we're gonna be going down to Allentown. I always kind of wonder what people think when they see me driving this thing through this neighborhood. Tell me what's wrong with this picture. Yeah, lovely. Go turn the air on for the trailer so we can pump some air into those tandems. Hear that air getting sent back there? She was empty. No way you can slide these tandems back without any air in there. Right there, but I can't even pull it yet. It needs more air back here before I can pull that release pin. So I'll let that charge up a little bit, and then we'll slide the tandems forward, because right now they're all the way back and I don't like them like that. For one, it's legal, and for two, it just makes turning way too wide. So we'll slide them up a little bit, and we'll be good to go. Seal. Let's check out the seal number. All right. Oh, that's a problem. Have to get that taken care of. Light works. Other than that mud flap, everything's good. There should be enough air in there to slide the tandem, so let's go ahead and release, or I'll set the brakes, and we're gonna slide them back. Now we'll go weigh it, see how the axles look. Alright, so we got 11.6 on the steers. And the steers and the drives combined are 43.6. So that means we got about 32 on the drives, which is awesome. So 43.6, and let's see what the whole kit and caboodle weighs. Can't really see that, but 75,800 pounds. Which means we've got about 33,000 on the tandems. So we're good. We're golden. This guy has a skeleton on the back of his truck. I love it. He's got one on the front too, I think. Yep. Awesome.
Hear my verse, cause yeah, they said it, but I said it first. So in a sense, I gave these niggas birth. That's why my fans in my show screaming, take me to church. No suit and tie, but baby, I go to work. Don't do it for the money, but that's one of the perks. If y'all got the shovel, then I got the dirt. Cause burying rap is what I mean when I say take them to church.
Well, I don't think that's supposed to be that way.
More bars, yo girlfriend on my scorecard. Opportunity knocks well, someone please tell me where the doors are before I trample it, nigga. Somebody better answer this, nigga. If you ain't never heard of me, I'm about to show you what the motherfucking anthem is, nigga. Diamonds and treasure, that don't bring me no pleasure. Every day I just wake up saying I could do better. Trying to find me a girl to put her hands in the holes of my sweater. And truth be told, I just pray that this moment lasts me forever. I said hear my verse, cause yeah, they said it, but I said it first. So in a sense, I gave these niggas birth. That's why my fans in my show screaming, take me to church. No suit and tie, but baby, I go to work. Don't do it for the money, but that's one of the perks. If y'all got the shovel, then I got the dirt. Cause burying rap is what I mean when I say take them to church. And I'm all influential, cause I'm somewhat anti-governmental. When I feel like all I need is God, I don't really give a fuck if I offend you. I don't really think you know what I've been through, but it's something I'd rather not get into. Cause I can't put my life inside a pencil when it's something I'd rather not pretend to be able to do. When I ate full of shrooms, couldn't paint when I paint. When the bass goes boom and the lights go low, when they call it magic, like I'm rocking a cape in the room. Mental patient, escape from the room. Now I'm out the basement, headed straight for the moon. And it might be some black shit, but I feel like I'm radioactive.
Alright guys, how's it going? I am now at my receiver in Allentown, and I'm done. Well, I'll be done for the night. Once they get me unloaded here, I'm going to drive to Flemington, and then I'll be actually done for the night there. But I'm signing off the vlog for the night here. I just want to thank everybody for all the new subscribers that I do have. It seems like today I've gotten, I don't even know how, I think I've gotten like, well, to a lot of people it's really nothing, but I probably received like 15 new subscribers in just today alone, which for me is a pretty good amount in one day. So I definitely appreciate all that, and I hope to continue to be making decent vlogs for everybody, and I hope you guys all enjoy the content. And if there's anything you want me to cover, or if you have any questions for me, leave below in the comments, and I'll get to those questions as time permits. And anyways, y'all, with that said, I'm going to go ahead and sign off of here. I guess I'm going to relax while I wait to get unloaded. So y'all have a good one out there. Stay safe, make some money, and I will talk to you guys at the next vlog.